What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Exedy clutch part KHC10, which is an OEM replacement clutch. This specific one we're going to be going over today is for the Acura RSX and the Civic Si from years 2002 to 2011. Now everything you see here is included. We have the alignment tool, we have your pressure plate, the clutch disc that is sprung just like stock, we have your release bearing, and your pilot bearing. Everything is included, everything you pretty much need. It does not come with the flywheel, but we do sell the flywheels on our site. Please ask if you have any questions. It also comes with instructions. Now the instructions are also going to show things like how the alignment tool is right or wrong, and there's also an example on here that shows what kind of examples of warranty we have. So if there's any issues you have, Exedy does have a warranty, and this is what is and is not covered under it. Now this specific clutch is meant for you guys who have, you're replacing stock OEM clutch. So if you have a car that basically just drives at a regular horsepower or a little bit over stock horsepower, this is going to be a great option for you guys. If you guys have absolutely any questions about this product, please ask in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.